Now, let's demonstrate how to clear the pop-up notification on the 15 Pro when the original camera module is missing. Let's connect to the computer first. Then, open the Luban Tools platform. The version must be updated to the latest version. Click Luban Flashing to unbind accessory values. Download the corresponding firmware. Click Unbind Flushing. Unbinding successful. Restart the phone according to the instructions. Flash the device again. For this flashing process, you do not need to select any options. Attach the camera with the Luban ribbon cable to the expansion board. Go to the Luban platform to write data. Select the appropriate camera and magnification. Click to write backup. Click Jailbreak. Brush Unbind. Show exist data indicates that the write operation was successful. Now, let's install and test it. You can see that the pop-up window has disappeared.